What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. Well, guys, today on the $800 Mustang GT, I'm gonna be cleaning up the carpet in here. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty dirty, got stains and stuff all over it. I'm gonna be using this Turtle Wax Power Out carpet and mat cleaner. Saw this at Walmart the other day and it was like $5, so I decided I'd get it and give it a try and see how it works. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and remove this seat here so I can be able to get to the whole carpet, because I'm going to not just clean the stains but clean all the carpet with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this seat out here and be back. Alright, guys, so then got it vacuumed out. As you can see, the carpet is very stained up, very much, and there was a lot of trash in here too. I got all that vacuumed out. And I think there were little mice living in here, because little mice droppings, probably from whenever the car was sitting up for like 4 years. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this carpet and mat stuff down, because according to the direction it says to vacuum first and then spray this stuff and leave it there for like a minute or two. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down. Man. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit here for like a minute or so. I'm gonna spray some more down and then let it sit for a little bit, then come back and scrub it. Alright, guys, so it's been sitting here for like about 2 minutes, and looks to be eating away at those stains. You can hear it making little noises. So I'm gonna go ahead and scrub it down with this. See what happens. Looks to be coming out some. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and scrub the whole car with this and be back here in a minute. Alright, guys, so I scrubbed it down and I went ahead and vacuumed it out. I know the direction says to wipe it down with a microfiber towel, but I tried that and it wasn't working out for me. It was a lot easier for me just to vacuum it. And then also by my vacuum, it'll help get this carpet to dry up faster and get most of that soap out of here. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much what it looks like now. I mean, it looks a lot better than what it was. If you look at the beginning of the video, what this carpet looked like before, it looks a whole lot better. But it doesn't get all your stains out. It doesn't get it all the way out, but it gets most of it out. Like the real deep stains like these are very hard to get out with that stuff. I mean, I still haven't got it out. I tried scrub and scrub, try to get it out, but it wouldn't come out 100%. But Came out, most of it did. So yeah, guys, I guess you can say it works okay. I mean, for what it is, it does an okay job. But in my opinion, I think you could probably get the same result if you just use like dishwasher soap and a scrub brush. You probably can get your carpet just as clean and probably a lot cheaper. That's my opinion. Like get dishwasher soap, scrub brush, and a scrubbing, and then vacuum it out. Probably look just as good. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to try out that Turtle Wax carpet cleaner. See how good it would clean my carpet when it was like really nasty. So yeah, the carpet looks a whole lot better, but probably in order for me to get everything out of here, all this stain, I'm probably gonna have to get me like one of those steam cleaners, carpet steam cleaners, probably to come in here, scrub it down. But for now, it'd be okay. It works all right. So yeah, guys, it's starting to look pretty good in this Mustang. I've been working on cleaning the interior and stuff in here. So it's coming along pretty nice. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.